So what is a pointer? Well, a pointer is a special variable that holds the address of another variable in memory. Here is an example. Imagine we have a variable called number, and in this variable we store the value 10. Now you know that a variable is just a label for a memory address. So this number variable could be stored at this location. Now we can declare another variable called pointer that holds the address of number. Now why do we want to do this? Well, there are a few reasons for using pointers. The first reason is for efficiently passing large objects between our functions. So in the first part of the course, we talked about passing arguments by value or reference. There I told you that if you want to pass large amount of data between our functions, instead of copying them, it's more efficient to pass them by the reference. So reference parameters or reference variables is one way to efficiently pass large amount of data between our functions. Pointers is another way to solve this problem. We'll look at an example of that later in this section. The second reason we use pointers is for dynamic memory allocation. So we can allow our programs to adjust their memory usage depending on the input. For example, later in this section, I will show you how we can resize an array dynamically at runtime. So once our array gets full, then we're going to resize it so it can store more data. Now, the third reason for using pointers is to enable polymorphism, which is one of the capabilities of object-oriented programming. This is an advanced topic, so we'll cover it in the next part of the course. So now that you understand what pointers are and why we use them, let's see how we can declare and work with them.